Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Target and I see that they have a lot of the garden items here, and I'm in the dollar section. This garden stake here says Love Grows Here. Isn't that cute? Tons and tons of gloves here for $5. $3 grow kits here. They have rosemary, basil. I see chamomile, and I see lavender. Those are going for $3. These cute little bird feeders right here, they come in pink and white. One is shaped as a heart for $5. Please close the gate. Wall decor here for $1. 6-count garden stake for $3. Cilantro, I see basil, rosemary, mint. Those are really nice. Garden apron right there for $5. In the pastel colors, flowers. Garden tools. A lot of the planters here. Look at those. Those are $5. They have them in white and gray. Gardener sets here for $3. A nail brush and hand towel. And I also see a 10 wood stake for $3. Garden sun hats here for $5. They have them in the blue, the brown and white color. And I also see the gray. This gardener set here for $3. This is an actual journal. And I see the planters here at the bottom. The watering can for $7. We have a lot of the pigs here. The greenery. They have garland here for $5. Decorative bags here, or planter bags where you can put your pot on the inside. $3. Watering spikes here. A snail for $1. And they also have the floral twine in white and brown. Decorative buckets right there, the flower buckets in blue and brown, $5. Ceramic planters there, 1 set. Alright, so everything on this little cap right here I love. Look at this art plant here for $5. They have them in different ones. Magnets here, Home Sweet Home, Hello Spring. No rain, no flowers. All of these are $1. The garland banners here for $3. More of the wall decor banners. Actually, the wall decor signs here. Hello Spring. And these actually look like the magnets over here, but these are $1 as well. Hanging decor, Home Sweet Home. These are $5. We have that one right there. You Are My Sunshine. Some of the cute mirrors here, guys. Look at those. They have them in the pinkish color, the yellow and blue for $5. They have a lot of the decor, table decor for $3. Balloon, hello. Planters here for $5 in blue and yellow. And they have some candles here for $5. Sunny Day, Wild Lilac, Fresh Fern. Some of the little cute succulent plants down here for $3. And guys, look at these decorative pillows down here for $5. They come in turquoise and black. And some of the notepad sets here, look at those. These are actually $3, and you can hang these, or you can put them on your table, a to-do list. Notepad block, $3, 300 notepads. Alright guys, still over in the dollar section here. They have some of the dry erase labels here for $1. They have these ones here. The clear pink ones. And I love these canisters here. These bath canisters, you can put Q-tips, cotton balls, things of that nature in, but they come in pink, clear, blue, $3. The little vase or bud vase here is for $5. I have this one here. And I see this one. A decorative wall mirror here in different colors. This color here. They have that one in that pink with flowers, $3. Eye mask here. This one says recharge. This one says relax, and all of these are $3. They have the makeup organizer bags here. They have that brown, and they have this color here for $3. And they also have this striped one back here in the back. Glass bottles here for $5. They have this one here, blue and the pink. And I see a lot of the wall shelves right here, the bamboo wall shelves for $5. And they have the storage trays as well. Woven baskets down there for $3. And I see that they have a lot of the, this is a brand Balance. They have hand lotion. They have in pink and blue, the little containers. Also they have this brown one here as well. These are all moisturizer lotions. I see a foot lotion here. They have a body scrub here for $3. Honey milk scented. And this one right here is sweet vanilla scented, and they have a coconut scented one. Kitchen towels here, $5. These are actually real pretty. And they come in 2. But they have this striped blue one here. And they also have a pink one here as well, and these are $5. Those are very nice. I see a lot of the essential oil blends here. They have lemon, they have peppermint, lavender, basil, $3. A lot of the little candles here. These ones right here for $3. Balance has a face mask here for $3. And I'm not sure what these are. These are actually wrap tops, a Como wrap. These are very nice for $7. Alright guys, so I'm in the dollar section where the craft section is, and they have a lot of the mechanical pencils here for $3. Stickers here for $1, 100 stickers. They have this little plastic DIY kit. It's a snail with red, yellow, and green paint for $1. They have these little doilies here that you can actually paint, and it comes with the little markers for $3. These are really cute. Flower pots here for $5. It includes 1 pot, 3 paint pots. Those are really nice, and it comes with the color as well for $6. Actually $5. And they have those birdhouses right there where you can paint. Some of the sun catchers here, $1. They have the erasers here for $3. This embroidery kit set here, they have the egg, and they have the one with the flower for $5. The snail for $3. They have tons and tons of eggs here that you can color. Here's some more of the eggs here, $3. Look Okay guys, if you're planning on having an Easter party or anything like that, they have some favors where you can put like in baskets for the kids or whomever you're inviting to your party. But they have a bag of erasers here with the little chickies for $1. They have the eggs with the putty on the inside in different ones. They have that one there. All of these are $1. They have the little ladybugs here. They actually grow from small to large. The frogs here. And I see the bunnies, and I also see a little chickie here. And I think those are the only ones. Some small coloring books here. Those are really real nice for the kids for activity. They have these here, coloring books. All of these are $1. Notepads here, if you're needing notepads. Magnetic, they have a magnetic on the back for $1. Window cleans here in different ones. They have the pastels, the bunnies. They have the ones with the carrots, the eggs. Those are really nice. And they have these little bubble ones right here. These are $1. And they have them in different colors. Chalk here in different colors and different characters, bunnies and carrots. $1. They have the Easter eggs here. It's a 10-count small Easter eggs for $3, and they have them in different colors. And here's some of the egg chalk, 6-count egg chalk here. And they're shaped as eggs for $1. Little toys here, the little stretchy toys. They come in different colors. And they actually light up, guys. Look at that. This will be a nice stress ball. They have buckets here. They have the grass fillers down there at the bottom for $1. Okay guys, look at the ceramic tiles here for $3. This one says hey here for $3, and they have them in different colors here, different patterns. They have a 4-count nameplate here for $3. They have metal labels here with numbers. They have mud room. They have a lot of these guys. Laundry. They have stay a while, this hanging wall decor right here for $5, and they have that mirror down there for $5. They also have those canvas totes here, mini storage for $3. And I also see these decorative hooks right here, 1 count, and they come in different little, those are actually cute, look at those. Alright guys, and last but not least, this is the last end cap in the dollar section. They have a lot of Easter items here. They have this chunky notebook here, plain paper for $3. A lot of the little stuffed animals here for $5. Wood roll play set here, and it comes with the garden tools, the stakes, and the seeds, 1 set for $5, and they have them in different ones, guys. Look at this one right here. How cute is that? This is a 1 set finger puppet play scene for $5, and it comes with the little puppets here. Craft kit stationery set. It has all of that inside for $5. A lot of the little, these are, I'm not sure what they are, but they're little houses. They're very cute. They're for $5, but this is a chocolate egg factory. They have the honey cafe. They have the snail mail post office, which is very cute. And found this BP mini figurine wood train set right here for $5. A grow kit. This is Cosmos and Daisies for $3. And they have the little books here for $5. Tons and tons of socks here if you're looking for socks. Gifting buckets in turquoise and green. And I see the gifting sacks here in brown, white, and turquoise. Look how cute those are. Alright guys, I'm going to shop around a little bit and see what this Target has to offer. I've actually moved to Virginia, so this Target right here is new to me. But I do want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, and like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. If you're returning, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye guys. They have some nice little spring outfits here. If you're looking for spring outfits. Very nice. Bye guys.